It's 9:18 and the sun is shining. Looks like it's going to be a pretty day and a rainy day too. It's clouds and sun both. I went down to see if there was stretcher size. I didn't think there would be, and nobody showed up. But while I was down there, I went ahead and posted yesterday's vlog and watched David's. He had been to the movies with Jill and ate at Mongolian barbecue. Then when I just got back and was taking things in the house, when Larry came back, he went into Newland to McDonald's and got a sausage, cheese, biscuit, and coffee for breakfast. And that's where we are right now. I guess there's going to be a golf cart parade soon, or sometime today. There'll be a golf cart parade this morning. Okay, this is before the golf cart parade starts. This is where they're all down here getting ready.
I thought we'd done it for next time. Oh yeah, look at that, they did. Oh, you know what those are? Those are plates.
Oh, that is so clever.
Those are plates. So.
Huh.
Alright, let me make sure it's not in the lights on. These lights on.
There's another cart coming in. There's a bunch of them this year. I don't know if you can see all the bubbles or not. All decorated for the 4th of July. Now Larry and I are going to play shuffleboard. Here we are at the shuffleboard court. Larry's got to open the gate. And here's the shuffleboard court. Extra tables, picnic tables over there. And so we're ready to play. And there's the pucks.
Somebody put them in backwards.
And here is the blank scoreboard. If I win, I might film it when it's over, but if Larry wins, I'll have to think about it. There's the final score. I'm not saying who's black and who's yellow, but black won. Betty and Murphy came down and saw the end of our game. She walked down and saw the golf carts go off too. Just walking Murphy home. The thing where they polish the pucks, I guess they're pucks.
Yeah.
And erasers and chalk. Okay. I guess it just takes the wax and rub it on and then polishes it. So you get that waxed puck on the glass beads and it really goes. I didn't know it till today, but the glass beads in the middle of the court down there are loose. I thought they were set in the cement or whatever, but they're loose on top. There's the camping area, all the tents down there on the platforms and the towers. We just got the 3 spots that they're all used. We're walking up closer to the dam. There's the Linville River. And over there is the sewage treatment area. That's what that noise is. There's really logs catching and hanging up.
Down here.
Somebody's toy too. The chief of police used to be the one that had put on his driving suit to come over and clear everything out.
The guy, hard thing, his son was the engineer on this dam.
Oh.
He's retired now.
The son is retired or the man's retired?
The son is retired. Well, he was an engineer and he used him on this. Engineer the dam is what he told me.
Now, that's a pretty big log. Goes on out under the water.
Yeah.
I guess they could put a rope on it from up here and pull it around.
That's what they usually do. They get used to go out there in a boat. tired when it's cold enough. It's cloudy. I'm surprised it didn't rain.
Mm-hmm. The members had to pay to build that dam. That was a special assessment.
You stand on that rock right
And
there.
there's the water coming down. Now he's hijacking my camera.
Get on that rock out there.
Well, I'm gonna take off my coat.
Yes, dear. Let me hold it. Oh, there ain't no snake here. Jump. Okay. Hello. Hey. Walk across the rocks to the other side. Watch out for snakes. Okay, that's far. You won't make it.
There might be snakes.
Might be. Copperheads like to stay in the rocks.
That big pile of rocks there
Well,
and the pile of rocks over here is what the bridge used to rest on.
Well, what they ought to do is build another one like that over there.
Uh-huh. That would keep it up above, probably.
Yeah, and build a one.
Pretty little daisy.
Now he's looking for fish. Harder going up the hill.
Let's throw this ball down there.
Okay. Now he found the tennis ball down there and he threw it over toward the campers. Okay, you gotta do your dance like Rocky. You made it up. You gotta do your dance like Rocky. You made it up. Remember he was Rocky? Yeah, both arms. No, not that kind of dance. Remember when Rocky got to the top of the steps
Oh,
at the
yeah.
Capitol, both arms was up and... Oh well, I guess we lost a moment. Just this corner of the lake and the lookout up above.
Lily pads under water, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Now he pointed out a really pretty one, rhododendron. Yum Yum Cafe. Bee shop, bakery, bagels, and creamery. There's all the pretty flowers. Big Shasta daisies, marigolds. There's a waterfall. We come over at noon to get sandwiches from the 19th hole, but it looks like they're closed. Nobody in there. Rhododendron just blossoms all over it. We're down here at the rec center, and here's the parking lot. There's a few golf carts decorated. Since the 19th hole was closed, we were looking for food.
Might be raining shortly.
Yeah. I don't know what that was decorated as.
Yeah.
What's it say on the side? Special Forces? Oh, that one's got camouflage over it.
I guess
Got through all those.
so.
There's up.
This is the 19th hole.
Yeah. And they got a climbing wall there. They got a climbing wall. Okay. Here's a menu. Here's a menu.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, it is 19th hole. Oh, they don't. This is what we ended up with. Larry's got, is that a brat? No, we got barbecue. I've never seen barbecue with a tomato before.
I put it on.
Oh, and slaw and beans. I got beans, slaw, and a hot dog. And we got a drink. And we're sitting here overlooking the lake and people enjoying it. Finally found out what the green tent's for, and where they're playing music.
They got chairs you can go sit.
We decided to cook out hamburgers for supper. Larry's going to cook them, and I invited Betty over, so he's getting things ready. It's 4:22 and 72 degrees here on the porch.
And sun shining.
And the sun is shining. About 10 minutes ago I thought it was going to rain, but look, it's sunshine. Larry taking Betty down to the bathhouse to get her truck to go on home. She's going to the fireworks with Jan and John.
I promise I won't let him go. I will protect your dog. He's a killer. He has trained in Japan.
The only time she's ever been bit is by a small dog. It's the only time.
It's like she wasn't there. You had
Smoke
moments
from
like
all
that
the
too, like
early firecrackers. There's a boat on the lake with lights. They're going to watch it from the lake.
like it's got a motor on it. Must be a trolling motor. Because I don't think you can have a gas motor.
I like trolling motors. They're so smooth.
I like that. Who's after doing it? I don't know. Somebody saw us.
Smoke, so they know.
We're sitting here in the golf cart waiting for the traffic to clear out before we go back home. Fireworks are over. Well, the fireworks were over before they were over because all the smoke just hung right there and you couldn't see them for the smoke. But we're just sitting here waiting. It's about 10 till 10, so good night all. Happy 4th of July. Larry, you want to say anything?
Yay!
We made it home safe and sound, no problems, and traffic didn't run over, so we're parked and ready for the next day.